fly. I look good. You can't touch my back, but you could. I look fly.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nicole here. Thank you all for tuning in. Today we're going to be working with I Like Hair. Once again, they sent over this beautiful, gorgeous, full curly wig that I'm going to get to in just a second. Of course, you know we get our essentials in our little kit. But y'all, this wig, oh my god. This is the most fullest curly wig that I have ever had in my entire life. Look at this lace. I was so obsessed with this wig, especially the lace. Oh my god. You know the wig comes with combs and elastic strap that is detachable, and we got some combs in the back, and we have combs on the actual wig itself. This wig is cut already, pre-cut. This wig is HD lace. As you can see, I am obsessed. Okay, so for clarity, this is the Wear and Go Ombre Brown Jerry Curly 5x5 lace closure wig, and it is absolutely beautiful. I toned down the lighting some so that you can see the actual color of this hair, and I am amazed. This hair, this lace, this wig is absolutely so beautiful. This is a full wig, y'all. Look at the parting space on this wig. Like I said, this is a 5x5 closure, but the parting space just makes it feel like an even more larger wig. This is a wear and go wig. We are not using any adhesive, no spray, no glue. This is a wear and go wig, and the wig and the name of that speaks for itself. Here I am just trying to see how the wig looks on my head. This is what the wig looks like right out of the box. No water, no conditioner, no mousse. As you can see, this wig is gorgeous. The color is amazing. The wig is so full, so fluffy, and the curls on this wig is absolutely so gorgeous, and I just love it so much. If you love big hair, if you love curly hair, if you love colored hair, this wig is for you, especially if you are a grab and go, wear and go type of girl. So of course we're going to add some makeup to this wig to make sure that the lace is blended and melted into our skin without any adhesive. This is going to be a glueless wig. For all my glueless wig girlies, this wig is for you because this lace is amazing. As you can see, this is a close-up of what the lace looks like once I put the makeup on. Honestly, to me, it looked even better without the makeup, but the makeup just made it even more better. It enhanced the wig to actually blend in with my skin some more, so we love that. At this point, I was dancing, I was enjoying it because I love a great lace wig. Like I said to y'all, this is glueless. No glue, like literally, like you can see the difference between my forehead, the lace, the wig, my hair. We're not using any glue. This is a glueless wig, y'all. So now it's time to define these curls. I have some water and Tresemme conditioner. Water and Tresemme conditioner in this spray bottle. And I'm just going to spray the hair to help define the curl some more. I'm going to show y'all a wet look that you can get from this wig. This wig is huge. It's big. It has a lot of hair on it. And sometimes you may not want that huge wig look. I'm going to show you all how to define these curls so easy. All you need is some water and a conditioner. And y'all, what surprised me as well about this wig was that it was so easy to brush. Like, I didn't get any tangles from this wig. It was easy for me to brush. It was easy for me to comb out. I didn't have any issue detangling this hair. And that was absolutely a great deal for me. Like, honestly, if I was looking for a wig, this would definitely be the deal breaker, because I didn't get any shade from this wig and it was easy for me to detangle. When I say that this is a wear and go wig, it's definitely a wear and go wig. No lies about that, y'all. Like, the lace does its job, the hair does its job, the color is amazing, it's easy to detangle. And as you can see, like, once I start detangling, you can see the difference between the wet look and the dried look, and how the curls are so pretty. It looks even more manageable and less tangly and less frizzy. Like, we love a defined curl look, and as you can see, here's the difference. So I'm just gonna head and do the other side and come back. Okay, y'all, so we're back. This is what the hair looks like when both of the sides are wet and detangled. The hair is absolutely so beautiful. I like this style of wet curly look. This is one of my favorite looks to wear when I'm wearing curly hair. And then I just let the hair dry, and then it gives these beautiful curls. So to dry your hair, or to give it more of that dried look, if you don't like the wet look, go ahead and get your blow dryer and put it on a warm setting. Not a cool setting, but a warm setting. And just kind of not detangle, but dry that hair, and it'll start to dry, and the curls will start to get more defined, and you'll start to see that really nice defined curly look without it looking so frizzy and so full. Okay, so you have a fully dried look, something that was in the beginning of the video, then you have a wet look, and then you have this look here. This is what the hair looks like after it has been dried, but it still has that less frizzy, more manageable and detangled look. This is one of my favorite looks so much. I love this hair. It did its job. I Like Hair did a great job with this. Here I am just shaking the hair, fluffing it out for you guys, showing you what the hair looks like. This is a wear and go wig. Like I said, I did not use any adhesive, any spray, any glue. So this is a wear and go wig that is for my girls who just want to throw on a wig and go. This wig is absolutely the best for you, y'all, and that's all I did. I didn't even do much to this wig. This wig came the way that it came, and I just added some water and some conditioner to it, kind of detangled the curls a little bit, and now we have a beautiful defined detangled curly look that is not frizzy, that is easy to manage, and that is beautiful. If you like this wig, please go to the description box down below and check the link out for more information on this hair, for more information on ILIKEHAIR.com. Hope you all enjoyed this video, because we are done. Thank you all so much for watching. Hope you all like, comment, and subscribe. Check the links in the description box, and I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.
Check up on it.